We will listen attentively to your every voice. We will concentrate on your every demand. We are engaging in making the extraction of oil and gas in the world more effective. Kerui Petroleum, reliable expert in oil field comprehensive solution. We have established an integrated high-level oil equipment park and own complete product chain and rich experience on integrated engineering service. With 6 manufacturing bases covering drilling equipment manufacturing, natural gas compressor unit manufacturing, oil field special equipment manufacturing, and oil extraction manufacturing, we provide 9 series of products including drilling equipment, natural gas compressor, oil field special equipment, and oil extraction, reaching hundreds of categories. 10 years experience in oil field equipment production and service. Owning more than 100 highly specialized engineering service teams, we provide integrated engineering service to all the global oil fields. More than 100 cases providing comprehensive solution in oil field. 10,000 staff in the enterprise. Kerui Group is committing itself to be a world-leading oil field comprehensive solution supplier. We will design most applicable oil field comprehensive solution for you by our improving product chain, strong power, and excellent technical team to facilitate oil and gas gain. Kerui firmly believe the power of technology. Kerui sets up 16 technology and research centers and 6 laboratories in China, United States, Canada, Singapore, etc. 60 owned patents of invention. 500 kinds of owned patent technology. 1,200 senior technology experts, 3,000 global technical engineers. We not only pay attention to establishment of technology R&D system, but also attach importance to application of technology. Kerui adheres to the R&D concept of technology leading the future and strategy of producing high-end products, increases R&D investment, broadens technological cooperation field, constantly keeps up with world technology frontier, and ceaselessly sticks to new products R&D. And we will always keep holding on the mission of providing top quality service and most practical products for world oil fields. We have established improved and systemic global operation network. We will sincerely apply all-dimensional pre-sales, selling, and after-sales service by the matrix service structure. More than 30 global after-sales service stations, more than 1,200 after-sales service engineers. No matter what place you are in and what problem you are facing, our global integrated service network and after-sales network will rapidly respond instantaneously. Kerui adheres to the service concept of service creating value and makes meet customers' requirement as an inexhaustible driving force for development and strives to gain trust from every customer by high-quality service. We are making efforts all the time. Based on trust and communication, we are widely and deeply cooperating with our credible and excellent partners, ensuring quality of every product and engineering service. More than 1,800 suppliers, more than 50 global strategic partners. We are supplying top quality service and most practical products for 500 customers from more than 80 countries and regions. We are adhering to the operation idea of keep faithfulness to gain trust from every customer by our products and service. We have established sound cooperation partnership with international celebrated companies for mutual development by powerful combination and advantages complementing. Your trust will inspire Kerui staff's potential to constantly create success. Your trust is inspiring Kerui staff's confidence to persistently pursue excellence. We are growing together with you. The key to business success of us insists in simultaneously protecting human and environment and improving quality of products and service. The continuous implementation of scientific and efficient quality management system and quality testing system has standardized many links, including design, R&D, producing, sales and service, which provides effective method for quality management and control and promotes the whole managing level and quality assurance ability. By adhering to quality, life of enterprise, we have passed API Q1 Quality Management System Certification, ISO 9001 Quality System Certification, HSE Quality System Certification, CE Certification, CUTR Certification, ASME Certification, China's National Mandatory Product Certification, and Pressure Vessel Pipeline Manufacturing License. We will design Triune full service for you by high-end oil equipment R&D and manufacturing, integrated engineering service, oil field comprehensive solution, and EPC. You of different skin colors from different regions will witness the success in one-in-one oil field project. More efficient in oil and gas extraction in the world. Kerui will witness together with you.